The new Roo is based on a design concept of Roomy Max, the inspiration for the name Roo, which emphasizes the maximization of size within car regulations. A new signature design motif of a rounded square is incorporated into the headlights, rear combination lamps, door handles, headrests, speedometer and wheels. The motif not only symbolizes spaciousness and size, but through its rounded corners also expresses playfulness. The interior was created around a breeze concept that aims to create a relaxing space with pleasant airflow and light, much like a living room. Nissan's designers aim to create a feeling of openness that exceeds the actual space. The playful rounded square motif can be seen on the headrests and speedometer. The dashboard features an available integrated 12.3-inch infotainment display, a first for cars, that enhances the sense of advanced technology and quality. The body colors include a new two-tone combination inspired by Ikara Hafu, the curved gable found on the roof of traditional Japanese architecture. This design creates a unique color coordination that Nissan is using for the first time. It involves a color division from the lower beltline, including the hood, resulting in a distinctive look. In addition, new colors such as Celadon Green, Cinnamon Latte, and Ceto Blue are being introduced, expanding the lineup to a total of 17 variations, 6 two-tone options and 7 solid body colors for the top trim. The Highway Star, Grade, and 7 solid colors for the Standard series. The interior length has been extended by 115 mm from the previous generation, reaching a class-leading 2,315 mm and providing a spacious environment for 4 adults. The rear seat's knee room is also best in class, providing ample space for adults to sit comfortably and allowing children to stand and change clothes when the vehicle is stationary. The cargo space boasts a top-of-class length of 675 mm and is capable of holding up to 48-liter suitcases. The rear sliding door, a standard feature for super-height wagons, maintains a best-in-class opening width of 650 mm. It is equipped with large grab handles like those on the larger Serena minivan, enabling smooth entry and exit, especially for children. The rear seats can slide up to 320 mm, allowing the driver to comfortably reach children seated on the rear passenger side. The cargo area can be easily accessed thanks to a one-action lever on the shoulder of the rear seat that allows it to slide forward and back. Interior storage has been improved with features such as large cup holders, a drawer for discreetly storing items such as tissues, an instrument panel center slide box for smartphones and wallets, and a covered box located behind the meter display for small items. The new Roo offers more advanced driving assistance systems that aid awareness and make parking, driving on narrow roads and intersections easier. In a first for cars, the intelligent around view monitor now includes invisible hood view, a system that provides drivers with a virtual view through the engine bay, making it easier to see hazards that are normally out of sight. It also features 3D view, which provides an intuitive three-dimensional view of surrounding conditions, as well as front-wide view for greater visibility at intersections. In addition to the popular Pro Pilot, new features include intelligent emergency braking, which detects pedestrians and oncoming vehicles at intersections to assist collision avoidance. Additionally, Intelligent Blind Spot Intervention, BSI, which helps avoid contact with vehicles positioned diagonally to the rear during lane changes, Intelligent Blind Spot Warning, BSW, which detects vehicles approaching from behind, and Rear Cross Traffic Alert, RCTA, which provides an audible warning to the driver if vehicles are crossing behind the car while it's reversing are available. Improvements have been made to the engine to achieve better fuel efficiency and reduce noise, enhancing running costs and aiding in-cabin comfort. Soundproofing measures, including noise-insulating sheets and high-performance sound-absorbing materials around the doors and tires, create a quieter, more serene environment. The seats are trimmed in a soft, stretchy melange fabric, like that applied to sofas, enhancing comfort and supporting the living room atmosphere. The rear seats have not only been redesigned to distribute body pressure more evenly but also incorporate high-density urethane for enhanced vibration absorption, further improving ride comfort.